can't bite, and it feels so good to finally fly. Been a new man since I shed my old skin, up in a tree screaming songs with my friends like we've only got a month to live. I won't be here for long, I just came to sing a song and find somebody to love. Looking at her, she's looking at me, rubbing our wings and we don't have to think, everything works automatically. We lay the eggs in the crack of a branch, it makes me think of my mom and my dad, and I finally start to understand. We won't be here for long, we just came to sing a song and find somebody to love. Many have fallen, so many are gone. One day our children will sing our old song and find a way to carry on. Just like we did, they'll wait under the ground, perfectly still like an old wedding gown.